Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to pay loan in Gcash. So basically, paying your G-loan dues in advance will entitle you to interest cashback, a replenished G-loan amount, and better G-loan offers. So here's a summary on how to pay for your G-loan dues. First of all, open your Gcash app, and then just need to tap on this borrow icon. Now on the next page, you just need to tap on this G-Loan button. And here on your G-Loan management page, you will be shown your breakdown of dues. Tap Pay for G-Loan. Now once you've done right here, you will now go on the fourth step. You need to input the amount you want to repay and then tap on the next button. Now here on the next step, you just need to review your repayment amount, then you just need to tap on Pay button. Once you've done, you will be shown a receipt for the successful repayment of your G-Loan. So for the other information, you can go here on Gcash Help Center about the G-Loan. And that's it. That's how you basically pay loan in Gcash. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.